Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off Siri suggestions notifications on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. From your home screen, just go to Settings. In the settings, find the notifications. In the notifications, find the Siri suggestions. In the Siri suggestions, you can see a switch button on the right side of the Allow notifications. Just turn on the button to enable until it becomes green. And after that, you will see a list of applications that you can customize for the Siri suggestions notifications. For example, you want this certain apps to disable the notifications. You just turn off the switch button to disable. You can choose a certain apps if you want. And if you want the Siri suggestions notifications will turn off, just press again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off Siri suggestions notifications on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.